Hello, I'm the Zero Waste Man. Here's the Zero Waste Woman. And together with the Zero Waste family. Soon to be.
What is zero waste for you?
It's about reusable bottles.
It's about getting up early to meditate.
To live a more conscious life.
It's about reusable bags, cotton bags and stuff, and beeswax wraps.
It's about being okay when you buy something wrapped in plastic.
It's about not pointing the finger at others when they buy something wrapped in plastic.
It's about minimalism. It's about shopping this way or this way.
It's about believing that by only starting myself, I can make a difference. It's not about blaming the oil companies, but it's about shining a light on the companies and people that are making a difference.
Follow our journey to zero waste around Canada as we travel on the road, which is challenging at times, isn't it, darling?
Very challenging. It's hard to say no to packaged chocolate,
Chocolates. Oh, wow.
energy bars that are
Yeah.
not wrapped.
Yeah.
What else?
Stuff in plastic. Usually everything is in plastic, so it's tricky. And it's tricky to find a zero waste shop in a small village. But we're doing our best. If you want to learn more about the environment, plastic pollution and cool companies, jump to Zero Waste Man. Otherwise, follow us, hit the like button, the bell, subscribe, all that stuff people do on YouTube.
Yay!
Bye.